Welcome to Best RV Channels. I am Nala Marty from Best RV in Torla, California. Today we're presenting to you the beautiful 2025 Coachmen Leprechaun 298KB. 298KB, it's mean 29 foot, and it has a nice kitchen slide with a bedroom slide. It's amazing floor plan. This motorhome sitting on a Ford E450 chassis. So it has the bigger chassis of Ford, not E350, it's E450. As you see, it has a beautiful gel coated cap with LED light inside the front cap. This is amazing. And then we have 3 cameras. This has a 3 camera, one on the driver's side, one on the passenger side as well. There's one on the rear. The Coachmen, they're very well known for the best running board. So if I close this door so you could see, is a big running board. It could handle my feet no problem. You see this unit has the largest awning on it. So you could see the awning, it cover whole Class C. So whole entire motorhome, it has a big awning with a power with LED light. As usual, it has a lot of storage in this side. These are some of these storage. It has a nice outside TV, and this one of the battery is a 32-inch smart TV. Come with it. It is Asdel fiberglass. That's a big deal. Lot of storage. It has LP connectors. So if I decide to put my barbecue here, so I could put my TV is already outside. I could put a lounge chairs, table. I could cook and use my barbecue. I have more storage here too. A lot of storage in this motorhome. Beautiful in the back. So I have the rear camera. I have a ladder prep, the Leopard, endless hot water heater, 60,000 PTU, the big one. Receivers, if I want to pull a boat or jet skis. Look how big the storage here is on the side. I like how they did it. They write on it Leprechaun, and it's a full storage compartment on this side. You can see how big and deep. I could put fishing poles, whatever I need to take for my camping trip. And then it has 2 slide out. Again, 298, 29. Kitchen slide, as you see here, as well a bedroom slide. And we'll go inside and I'll show you more in detail. I have outside showers, all the hookup right here. And then I have the generators, which is Yamaha generators. I could show it to you if you come this way. So you see my Yamaha inverter technology generators come with it. And as you see, it's an E450 Super Duty chassis. Let's go inside and show you all the new features about the 298KB Coachmen Leprechaun. I'm entering the unit. I'm facing a beautiful, fancy theater seating. What I like about those theater seating, they're so comfy. So if you're a big guy, fill you up. Has a place for remote controls, and these are electronic, so I could push them in, out, and control them, all of them with the light. So it's a beautiful recliners. The beauty about it, these recliners is facing a 40-inch smart TV in front of me, and this TV run of 12 volts, so I don't need to run generators or 110. So when I'm sitting here, while even I'm driving, I'm sitting, I could watch the TV while somebody driving the motorhome, and they're very comfy, and they recline, and they're all power, and they have massagers, lights, you name it. So this is a beautiful theater seating. Facing of this is the G Lounge. Now, you tell me what does mean G Lounge? Is mean this is like I could make this J Lounge as a U-shaped dinette if I choose, so I could sit more people, or if I don't need to sit more people, it's already there. So it has nice solid table, nice. I could sit people here while I'm driving, 2 here, another additional 2 here, and also if I want to expand the J Lounge to the U-shaped dinette, so I just slide this piece, then I take this cushions, I put it right here. Voila. Now I have U-shaped dinette, so I could sit another person here. So somebody could sit here, somebody could sit there. So easy, I could sit 3 to 4 people on this dinette, and this dinette is facing the theater seating. If we go from the living room down to the kitchen, now what they call it 298KB is mean big kitchen. Look how big the sink. Look how beautiful the counter space. I have a prep area also. So when I'm washing dishes, I have prep area, and still even you could walk to the bedroom even with the sink is down, no issue. Big storage here in the kitchen. Look how big all these cabinets. And then storage here and deep fan, light, very roomy area behind the 3-burner range. Big oven, and then you have 3-burner range with electric microwave, electric convection oven. It's included, so I could cook in this microwave because I consider electric oven. A place for cooking pan trays, place for tinsels. You have these tinsel doors come with it. You could see how beautiful it is. Place for trash can. I could put my trash can there. So it's very roomy kitchen. And the nice thing, while I'm in the kitchen cooking, I'm not in the middle of the person who's sitting on this recliner or the dinette. So they're separate. So this is living room dining. This is the kitchen. And then we have the bedroom in the back. Once come to the fridge, I have 10.7 double door refrigerator run of 12 volts, as you see. And then more storage. Look how deep it is. More storage, and more storage. Look how deep all this storage. I have even fan here. So if I want to have the food smell go outside, I just open the vent, turn the fan, take the heat out. Central air conditioning, 2 AC on this unit. Now after the kitchen, we're gonna walk in to my suite. Now I don't care what brand you're looking at, but this brand, if you come this way, I want to show them what I mean. The beauty about this, there's a full bedroom with a privacy door on a Class C. I sell too many brands here at Best RV, but one like this I never seen. This is the first one I seen, has a privacy door to the master bedroom suite on a Class C. More storage. If the lady say I need pantries, voila, there's another pantry. Very roomy for big guys, they could walk. And then I walk in here to my master suite. So if you come here, that's what I like about it. If you're coming inside, I'll show you all even nice. King size bed. So show me where you find a king size bed. King size bed master suite on a Class C motorhome 29 foot. Only the Leprechaun 298 has that. So you could see it's a big king size bed. Has a storage. These storage with shocks. Place for reading lights. As you see here, there's a reading light. There's a place here if I decide to put a second TV, third TV, because the unit come already with 2 TV, 1 TV outside, 1 TV inside. I could put a third TV here for the bedroom facing my king size bed. I have my own AC in my king size bed suite. And look this secret. Voila. I have my own combo washer dryers on a Class C, which is very hard to find. So I could wash my clothes. I have big closets. So this come with combo washer and dryer. Hold on. And as you see, huge closets in the back. Look how deep, hanging clothes. And then also another hanging closets with shelf. I have doors for socks and underwears and so on. So you can see the beauty of this unit. And then I have a suite. So if you take a picture for them and show them how I have full privacy in this unit, and I have a solid door, not a curtains, not pocket door, solid door for this bedroom, give you my privacy. It's open, and now I have a master big bathroom. I have my own sink over here. I have big medicine cabinet. I have a closet for my towels, a big porcelain toilet. See, and then I have a big standing shower with a skylight, an LED, and very roomy. And this is big. Look, the elbow, no issue for my elbow. So this is a beautiful. So I have full bathroom in the back. I still have a nice a bunk or cap over bed. It is a 800 pound. I have the safety for the kids, and then it come with expandable ladder right here. And then I could go to my bed, and this is sleep easy, 2 people. I have I could watch the TV from the upper bunk. There's a room here for toys and books, drinks, laptop, and there's USB plug. And then I have my own fan, and it's easy. We'll sleep 2 people at the front. So 2 people on the front. This dinette turn to a bed if I want to, and 2 people in the back. So easy, I could sleep 4 big adults in this unit. When I'm done camping from the top, sleeping, I could go down in this expandable ladder, and then I could remove this back, and then I have a beautiful with light, a Class C motorhome where it has air condition, heating, smart stereo system with CarPlay, Android Play, and a camera with a 3 screen, one to the right, one to the left, one in the back. So as you see, this 298 KB, we have it at price. We shop for you. It's on sale for $114.99 and a price no one could match in the state of California. Come to Best RV and get the beautiful brand new 2025 Coachmen Leprechaun 298 KB from Best RV and no any hidden fees.